In this exercise, a workpiece, a cuboid, is machined from two sides, which means a 90-degree swivel. This may initially sound easier than swiveling around crooked angles, such as the 30 and 20 degrees from the previous exercises. But the impression can be deceptive. While a slight tilt of the head is enough to return to the familiar XY plane with lower numbers of degrees, a 90-degree turn changes the entire perspective and the axis positions accordingly. Larger swivel movements mean an increased risk of crashing, not only between the tool and the workpiece, but also between the milling head and the table. This should be taken into account when selecting the clamping devices. For this simulation, the workpiece was jacked up 80 mm high on a Hermle C800. The length of some tools had to be increased for this exercise, but this is easy to implement thanks to the SYMplus CNC software.